Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about this new app that I downloaded maybe about a week ago. I haven't really flown with it yet, but I'm going to get around to it. I've just been studying it. The main purpose of buying this app is because I got the DJI Professional 3 copter. And as you know, they have the number 4 out. And, I'm very disgusted with that because to me, being that I found out recently that they partnered with Apple, we're going to be getting, how can I say, squeezed for money every 6 months. Is that what's going to happen? We're going to take the same model, or are they going to take the same model as the Apple and just keep remixing, because that's all they're doing is remixing the same product. So I consider the P4, they don't even call it Professional, they just call it the Phantom 4, just a remix of the Phantom 3 Professional, or even the Standard for that matter. But anyway, as you know, with the P3, in order to do waypoint points, we actually got to do the flight emission and then track it as, that way. Well, with the Litchi app, you could do it the same way now that you are supposed to be able to do it in the P4. So, instead of upgrading another $1,300, $1,995 sounds more reasonable. So look at what I found here. So let's check it out. So first of all, you go over to the upper left hand corner. Right here where I tap, first when you put the app is on FPV, just tap the I, go to the GS, they call it ground station, DJI call it waypoint, the same thing. And then if you see over to the right hand side, you'll see a little icon. I'm going to tap it. When it turns blue, that just means you're about to plot a point of interest, but we're not going to do that yet. So as white, all you got to do is take the pin. I have a Galaxy 3, so I have the pin. It makes it easy. If I tap anywhere on the screen, as you can see, the waypoints just automatically come up and they connect. No matter how you do it, they just connect. And then if I want to make a point of interest, I go back, tap the same little icon, it turns blue, and we can put a point of interest right there. Well, seems like you can't put them too close to the waypoint, so let's put it right here. And then we can actually move it. We can move it and edit it and move it right where we want it. So right now we have 3 waypoints. Now I'm not going to go through the whole app because there's many YouTube tutorials on it. But what I want to show you is this one here. Let's erase that. By hitting the X, we erase it. Say OK. And we have a pen tool here. Now this pen tool is much different than the pen tool that you'll find in the Go app. I don't understand what the purpose of it, at least on the level of the Professional. But on this one, it serves a purpose. So let's look at it right here. Actually, it'll put your waypoints out there a little faster. I'm just going to make this like really short. So let's just draw a line wherever we want the copter to go. We make the trail. Right, make the trail here, there. Bring it all the way over here. Bring it all the way back. And put it right back there. And already we into what is called batch waypoint setting. And here we can set the foot or the feet, the spacing of each waypoint. So let's see if we go all the way out to about 62 feet. That'll be the spacing. We can set the altitude. Now this is a batch, meaning this is affecting all the waypoints. Now you can also go back and make it individual adjustments, but this is just to get you going. As you can see, we have a curved side. That's how the copter is going to curve while it goes to the waypoints. It's not just going to make a jagged right angle turn or 45-degree turn. You can set your gimbal pitch, and if you like what you see, you just hit OK. And look, there's our waypoints right here. 1, 2, 3. And right in the middle, that little green line, that's the curve. And if we go back, let's say we want just to edit this curve, number 2, we just hold down. We just tap it, and that setting for just that waypoint will come up, and we can change the curve size. We can make it a little more tighter just by drawing the line backwards, and you see how it moves. It makes it more tighter towards the copter. So I think this is an interesting way, a fast way to actually get your waypoints done. And once again, you can edit your waypoints just by touching the waypoint itself. In this case, we'll use number 2. You hold it, and we can just drag it anywhere around, stretch it out. And as you see, the curve stays at the same setting. This app is on fire, and I can't wait to fly with it. That's all I got for you right now. Like I said, there's a whole lot of things we can do with this here app, and without even investing another $1,300 to get a new copter. I just think the Professional is way better than the 4 due to the fact that it's faster. It's not really, how can I say, it's not a crutch. It is a crutch to a certain extent, but I think the 4 is more of a crunch with the avoidance. If you're flying responsible and within line of sight, you shouldn't have to worry about running into anything. Except when you use the sports mode or the tracking device, and if you're on a bike. I mean, even that, you can't ride the bike forward and look backwards. I don't believe the copter follows you from the front. I could be wrong. But anyway, this is the Litchi app. Check it out.